Why did the scrapbooker break up with her boyfriend? Because he said she was too attached to her adhesive tape runner. Welcome to a world where creativity meets craftiness, where memories are not just remembered but relived, where every picture tells a story and every page is a chapter. Welcome to the world of mini album making. Creating a mini album is like baking a cupcake. You need the right ingredients, the right recipe, and a sprinkle of love. And just like baking, sometimes you might make a mess, but the end result is always worth it. The first ingredient in our recipe is the theme. Your theme is the flower of your cupcake. It holds everything together. It could be anything from a birthday party, to a travel adventure, to a school day memory. The beauty of a theme is that it gives your mini album direction and purpose. Next up is your materials. This is the butter of your cupcake. It adds richness and depth. You'll need things like cardstock, adhesive, embellishments, and of course your photos. Remember, quality materials make for a quality mini album. Now for the sugar of your cupcake, your design. This is where you get to let your creativity shine. Play around with different layouts, use various embellishments, and don't be afraid to try something new. After all, it's your mini album. Make it as sweet as you want it to be. Once you've got your theme, materials, and design, it's time to start baking, or in this case, crafting. Start by cutting your cardstock to size and adhering your photos. Then add your embellishments and any additional design elements you want. This is the fun part, so enjoy it. After you've finished crafting, it's time to put it all together. This is the frosting on your cupcake, the final touch that brings everything together. Bind your pages together using a binding machine or a simple hole punch and ribbon. And voila, you've got yourself a mini album. Creating a mini album is not just about preserving memories, it's about creating them. It's about the laughs you have while crafting, the joy you feel when you see the finished product, and the love you share when you show it to others. So why not start creating your own mini album today? You never know, it might just be the sweetest cupcake you've ever baked. And remember, the more you bake, the better you get. So here's to many more mini albums and many more memories.